In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Xbox gift card on Epic Games and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the options that you have to redeem an Xbox gift card and purchase games directly from Epic Games, or if you are able to use that Xbox gift card to purchase stuff like V-Bucks inside of Fortnite or any other games related to Epic. So first, let's try to purchase a game directly on the Epic Games Store. So I'm going to go over to Black Myth: Wukong, click Buy Now, and it is going to become incredibly clear that on the payment options, you won't be able to find Xbox gift card. This isn't a regional limitation. Regardless of the region that you try to do this on, you will not be able to purchase games or any sort of expansion DLC directly from the Epic Games Store using the Xbox gift card. So that is the first thing that I wanted to cover in this video. If that's what you wanted to do, this is impossible. However, you can still redeem your Xbox gift card and purchase things inside of games developed by Epic. So of course, the main example that I assume most people will try to do is buying stuff like V-Bucks inside of Fortnite. If you play Fortnite on the Xbox and you have an Xbox gift card, what you have to do is redeem the Xbox gift card into your Xbox account. So you go over to the buy option, choose the payment methods, and among the payment methods you will find redeem a gift card. Now of course I am doing this on a PC, but if you are doing this on the actual console, you should also be able to redeem the code. You simply go into the Microsoft Store or proceed to checkout and you will see the option to redeem your 25-character code. Once it has been redeemed into your account, you will have balance available that you can use on the Microsoft Store to purchase V-Bucks or any other sort of expansion or in-game item. Like I said before, this will only work if you are purchasing in-game items on games developed by Epic. But if you want to purchase games or anything else available directly on the Epic Games Store, then that is impossible. You need to redeem an Epic Games Store gift card and not the Xbox One. The Xbox One must be redeemed onto your Microsoft account, and then you can only use those funds on the Microsoft Store, either on the website or directly on your console. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had on how to use Xbox gift card on Epic Games. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to clear up any sort of confusion or questions that you might have about the subject. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.